Christmas is in the air. It's that time of the year again when we go buy. Then the children go, "Mommy, I want this, I want that, I want to see Santa Claus." And then you keep spending and spending and spending. Wow. But what if I told you that there is a company you can partner with, and when you spend, you earn back a bit of that purchase? Because it's not like you're only going to spend on Christmas presents. I'm sure you'll still buy your toiletries this Christmas. You'll still buy your sanitary towels. You'll still buy your soap. You'll still buy your cream. Now, why don't you buy from a company that pays you a little percentage of what you buy? Now, when we go to these big shops and we buy gifts, we buy things, daily consumables, we come out with these big cards and we are pushing them, and then we go and swipe your card and you just pay all that money and you don't get any discount. Even if you get a discount, they give you 9999 and then you save 0.0001 naira. But I'm talking about a company that pays you on every purchase you make and can even give you free cars, free trips. So how would you like to put money back into your pocket from your daily consumables, from the things you buy every week, every month, yearly? Have you sat down to calculate what you spend on toiletries monthly? If you do that, believe me, you'll be amazed. Get back to the person that shared this video with you and we'll show you how to make money from your daily consumables.